In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll confidently add new team members, set the right access and manage their profiles without missing a beat. Start by opening your account and heading to Settings, which you'll find in the bottom left. From there, open the team area. If you're in the agency view, click My Staff. If you're inside a specific sub-account, go to Settings and choose Team Management. This is your central hub to see who has access and to make changes anytime. To bring someone new in, click the button labeled Add Employee or Add User. You'll be prompted to enter their details: first name, last name and email. You can add a phone number and an extension if you use them. And there's also an option to upload a profile image to help your team recognize who's who. Make sure the email you enter is accurate, since that's where the invitation will be delivered. Next, open Advanced Settings to set or generate a password. If you prefer, GoHighLevel can create a strong one for you. Either way, the system will include the necessary access information in the invitation email when you save. If your team member needs to accept bookings, assign a calendar. Choose the appropriate calendar to route appointments to the right person. If they don't take appointments, you can skip this. Continue by choosing the role. Click Next, then select Admin for full access or User for standard access. You can fine-tune permissions so the person only sees what they need. This helps protect sensitive areas while keeping their workspace clean and efficient. When everything looks good, click Save. The system automatically sends an invitation email so the user can log in right away. Quick note while we're here, you'll find a link to the official GoHighLevel website at the very top of the description. And if you prefer using a mobile app, the download links are there as well. Use those to sign in or get set up on your device. To manage existing users, return to My Staff or Team Management and click any user to edit their details. If you need to change a password, open the user, go to Advanced Settings and update it. When someone leaves or no longer needs access, select the user and choose to deactivate or delete. Deactivate preserves history while removing access. Delete removes the user entirely. You can also revisit roles and permissions anytime to adjust access as responsibilities change. That's it. You now know how to add and manage users in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.